What is a WSQ course? WSQ courses are funded by SkillsFuture Singapore, which awards a WSQ certificate after completion. How to know if a course is a WSQ course? Look out for this WSQ logo on the picture. Usually, the course title with a NICF or WSQ at the front indicates it is a WSQ course. Singaporeans and PR are eligible for WSQ funding. Please note that WSQ funding is only applicable to WSQ courses. The amount here indicates the net fee after funding. For example, individuals aged 40 and above, the net fee after funding will be $254.56. Singaporeans or PR individuals aged 21 and above, net fee after funding will be $392.16. The net fee after funding varies for different courses. Please check the table for the fees. You may use the following methods indicated on the website to offset the net fee after WSQ funding. To register for the course, select your preferred date. After you have selected the dates, click on Register Your Interest and it will bring you to the next page. Click on Proceed to register. Continue check out as guest. Now, fill in your particulars in this page. After you have filled in, click on Next to proceed. For the payment method, select WSQ funding. Click on Next. The order review will show the course fee before the WSQ funding. Please note that you do not need to make payment first if you are applying for the WSQ funding. Make sure to submit the course registration. After we have received your registration, we will send you a Google form to fill in your details. The Google form will look like this. It has 6 pages. Click on the Next button to proceed. Fill in your details so that we can apply the WSQ grant for you. Alternatively, you may also register and fill in your details on Skillito. Please note that you do not need to fill in the Google form if you sign up from Skillito. Click on the link on our website to proceed. It will bring you to the Skillito page with the different course dates. Choose the date that you want and click on Register. You will need to sign up or log in to proceed. After you have received the invoice with the net fee, you may proceed to pay using the following methods. Click on the SkillsFuture link if you are claiming by SkillsFuture credit. If you are an NTUC member, you may claim UTAP. Please make payment first before the class, then you may proceed to claim after you have attended the class. You may also use your PSCA for the course. Click on the link and fill in the PSCA form. After the form is filled, submit it to us to process. Hope this video helps. If you have any clarifications, please email us at inquiry@tertiaryinfotech.com. Thank you.